Hello, friends. Welcome back to Just Say English. I am your host, Ramo, and this is day 6 of our 30-day shadowing challenge. Every day you practice, your English grows stronger. You may feel nervous, you may feel slow, but remember this: small steps every day become big results. Don't stop. Don't give up. I have put the full 30 days shadowing challenge playlist in the description below. Go there anytime and follow the lessons step by step. Now let's start today's shadowing practice. Have you ever ordered food or waited for a package, but you were too scared to call? You looked at your phone. You saw the number, but your heart beat fast. Your hand felt heavy, and you thought, what if they speak too fast? What if I don't understand? What if I make a mistake? And then you avoided the call. The delivery was late. You felt angry, but more than angry, you felt small. This is a toxic cycle: fear, silence, regret. Today, we break that cycle. Today, you will learn 20 golden sentences for every phone call. Then, you will practice 6 full scenarios, expanded step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will sound polite, confident, and natural on the phone. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. 1. Hello, this is your name speaking. 2. How can I help you today? 3. May I ask who's calling? 4. One moment, please. Let me check. 5. Could you repeat that, please? 6. Could you speak a little slower? 7. Let me write that down. 8. Thank you for waiting. 9. I'm sorry for the delay. 10. Could I have your phone number? 11. Could I have your address, please? 12. When would you like the delivery? 13. We have Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. Which works for you? 14. That time works perfectly. 15. I will confirm your order now. 16. Is there anything else I can help you with? 17. Thank you so much for calling. 18. Have a wonderful day. 19. Goodbye. 20. Talk to you soon. These are your golden tools. Keep them ready. You will use them in all 6 scenarios. Scenario 1. Food delivery. Pizza order check. Receptionist. Good evening, Pizza Palace. This is Ramo speaking. How can I help you today? Customer. Hello. I'd like to check my order, please. I ordered about 40 minutes ago. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Customer. This is Alex Chen. Receptionist. Thank you, Alex. One moment, please. Let me check. Yes, I see your order here. 1 large cheese pizza and 1 cola, correct? Customer. Yes, that's correct. Receptionist. Thank you for waiting. I'm sorry for the delay. The driver left 5 minutes ago. Your delivery will arrive in about 15 minutes. Customer. Great. Could you confirm the address you have? Receptionist. Of course. Could you give me your address, please? Customer. Sure. It's 550 Green Street, apartment 12. Receptionist. Could you repeat that slowly? I want to make sure it's right. Customer. Yes. 550 Green Street, apartment 12. Receptionist. Perfect. I will write that down. Everything is correct. Your food is on the way. Customer. Thank you so much. Receptionist. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with? Customer. No, that's all. Goodbye. Receptionist. Have a wonderful evening, Alex. Goodbye. Scenario dos. Package delivery confirmation. Receptionist. Good afternoon, City Courier Service. This is Ramos speaking. How can I help you today? Customer. Hello. I'm calling to check on a package delivery. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Customer. This is Maria Lopez. Receptionist. Thank you, Maria. Could I have your tracking number, please? Customer. Yes. It's 4,829.77. Receptionist. Could you repeat that slowly? Customer. Yes. CT, 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 Manda. CT, 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 T, 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 T. Receptionist. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check. Yes, your package left our warehouse this morning. It should arrive tomorrow before 2 p.m. Customer. Great. Can you confirm the delivery address? Receptionist. Of course. We have 10 Maple Avenue, apartment 3B. Customer. That's right. Receptionist. Perfect. Let me write that down again. Your package will arrive tomorrow. Customer. Thank you so much for your help. Receptionist. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you? Customer. No, that's all. Receptionist. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Customer. Goodbye. Scenario tres. Doctor appointment. Receptionist. Good morning, Downtown Medical Center. This is Ramos speaking. How can I help you today? Customer. Hello. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Customer. This is John Park. Receptionist. Thank you, John. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better for you? Customer. Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. Receptionist. Perfect. Let me write that down. Monday at 2 p.m. with Dr. Kim. Could I have your phone number, please? Customer. Yes, it's 555 172. Receptionist. Could you repeat that slowly? Customer. Sure. T, 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 T. Receptionist. Perfect. I've got it. Is there anything else I can help you with? Customer. No, that's everything. Thank you so much. Receptionist. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Customer. Goodbye. Genadio 4. Hotel booking call. Receptionist. Good evening, Sunshine Hotel. This is Ramo speaking. How can I help you today? Customer. Hello. I'd like to book a room, please. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Customer. This is Emily Davis. Receptionist. Thank you, Emily. What dates would you like to stay? Customer. I'd like to stay from April 5th to April 8th. Receptionist. Great. One moment, please. Let me check. Yes, we have both single and double rooms available. Which would you prefer? Customer. Double room, please. Receptionist. Perfect. I will confirm your booking now. Could I have your phone number? Customer. Yes, it's 555 129. Receptionist. Could you repeat that slowly? Customer. Sure. Sit in. When? Receptionist. Thank you. Your booking is confirmed. April 5 to April 8th. Double room. Customer. Thank you so much for your help. Receptionist. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with? Customer. No. That's all. Receptionist. Have a wonderful evening. Goodbye. Customer. Goodbye. Scenario 5. Job interview call. Receptionist. Good afternoon, Bright Future Company. This is Ramos speaking. How can I help you today? Customer. Hello. I'd like to confirm my job interview. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Customer. This is Daniel Kim. Receptionist. Thank you, Daniel. One moment, please. Let me check. Yes. Your interview is scheduled for Thursday at 10 a.m. with Mr. Johnson. Customer. Perfect, thank you. Can I confirm the office address? Receptionist. Yes, we are at 22 Main Street, 5th floor. Customer. Got it. Thank you for your help. Receptionist. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you? Customer. No, that's everything. Receptionist. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Customer. Goodbye. Scenario 6. School parent call. Receptionist. Good morning, Green Valley School. This is Ramos speaking. How can I help you today? Parent. Hello. I'm calling to check about my son's schedule. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Parent. This is Mrs. Brown. Receptionist. Thank you, Mrs. Brown. Could you give me your son's name? Parent. Yes. It's David Brown. Receptionist. One moment, please. Let me check. Yes. David has class tomorrow at 9 a.m. And after that, he has football practice at 3 p.m. Parent. Great. Could you repeat that slowly, please? Receptionist. Yes, class at 9 a.m., football at 3 p.m. Parent. Thank you very much. Receptionist. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with? Parent. No, that's all. Thank you. Receptionist. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Parent. Goodbye. Missions for today. 1. Read the 20 golden sentences out loud 10 times today. 2. Shadow all 6 scenarios. Speak line by line. 3. Record yourself as both customer and receptionist. 4. Listen back and fix small mistakes. 5. Try one small real-life call if you can. Remember, every time you practice, your fear gets smaller. Every call makes you stronger. By day 30, phone calls will feel natural. You are not just learning English. You are building confidence for life. Comment below. I'm ready, Ramo. If you are confident. I'm nervous, but I'll try. If you feel scared. Either way, I will support you. That's the end of day 6 of the 30-day shadowing challenge. You practiced 20 golden sentences, 6 expanded scenarios, daily missions. Go to the 30 days playlist in the description and continue your journey. This is Ramo from Just Say English. Goodbye, my friends.